Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets, washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that would put it to work.
And over here you got a bathroom. We don't have it wired up, but you can see here.
You can do that.
Okay, oh, got some electric. We do have it wired up. Perfect. There you go. So there's a, there you go. We got a little closet here. There you go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the quality. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the quality and look at the craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, look at this. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? Amish built furniture.
Top one is the office phone.
Isn't that beautiful? All kinds of natural light coming in. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those steps. Let's go up here and give you another view. Up here, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Give me a call today, guys. Let's get you one of these beautiful Amish built cabins on your land. Give us a call. These are just beautiful. You go through this door up here in the lofted area, and this one has not been finished yet, but it can be. Just a beautiful home, guys. Just a beautiful home. Look at that. There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed 2 bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1 bed, 1 bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back. And she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay, huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1 bed, 1 bath, as you can see here, but most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2 bed, 2 bath, or a 2 bed, 1.5 bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1 bed, 1 bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs, where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? The brand new big Bertha on the lot, just shy of 950 square feet, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. This is the big Bertha baby 2.0. Got a 6 foot by 42 foot front porch. And then on the first floor is 14 by 42. Second floor is 14
All right,
by
guys,
32.
this is one of the ones we got in
So
inventory
just shy
right
of
now. We got the
950 square
rustic
feet
El
of living
Chapo
space.
1.0 in inventory. And then we got the
As
modern
you
El
can see,
Chapo
beautiful
2.0.
porch that
As you can see, this got that
extends
pretty
the whole
black
front of big Bertha
board and batten
baby.
siding with the knotty pine
Okay.
trim around the front
Now
window
we are
and door
inside
here.
this pretty
Just a
thing.
beautiful structure. I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough
Beautiful.
video. I only got about 3
Beautiful.
minutes, so let me do a little,
One
get you
modification
a couple
we did
angles
the
on this one
2.0
so you
is
can
now
see
we
how
got a
pretty this one
handcrafted
is.
tabletop here.
Now this one here,
With a little bit more
the shell,
features
like
on
you
it.
see it, is $75,000.
Okay, you got your
It is
handcrafted
available
kitchen cabinets.
for immediate sale.
We got the barn door on there.
And then
That's
if you
gonna
want
go
it
to where your
turnkey,
restroom's
if you
gonna
want the
be in
Amish
your
to put the
laundry
electric,
room, right?
plumbing, and all that into it. Actually, this has
Still got your
electric. So
door
this comes
underneath
with
the
electric.
steps.
And
Still got your
like you
second
see here,
floor,
for
except this time when
$75,000,
it
if you want
closed,
everything else put into
one
it,
of
it's
the bedrooms up there,
$125,000.
and we kept one
Beautiful
side
6
open.
foot
Okay, so
by
you got 2
40 foot
bedrooms
front porch.
upstairs.
The
When you
dimensions
close
on the
one
inside
side,
is
y'all can kinda
14
see
by
what that
40,
looks
so
like
you got
closed up.
560
Kept the
square
other side
feet.
open.
This
Okay,
one,
so
instead
y'all
of
can let
them
us know
doing
if
the
you want
pine
both
on the
open, both
inside,
closed, one
these
open,
are
one closed,
beautiful
lots of
birch,
options. There's your back door.
plywood walls. We
There's
paint
your living
white.
room area.
The Amish
Okay.
are all about using
Just
real
like the
wood,
original.
guys. So this isn't
But remember,
sheetrock
it's
that's going to
10 foot
crumble
long
during
on the first
transportation.
floor
This is
because
actually
what's this?
real birch.
That's right. We
And
got
then
a
you got
master
the black
downstairs.
Anderson
A
double
lot of
pane
our customers
windows.
are
These are
baby
actually
boomers.
Anderson windows, top
They
of the
don't want to
line.
risk falling down them stairs.
So this
or
is
a
your
lot of
living
folks
room
just wanna
area.
have
You already got your
downstairs
GFIs.
bedroom.
All you see, your electric's
So now,
already ran
let's
in
go to
here.
the bedroom.
Installation's already in. You got your GFIs
voila.
here.
We got a
This is where your
downstairs
kitchen's
bedroom
going to
off
go,
the
your
living room.
kitchenette. Then you
There's
got the
master
open
bedroom
concept.
downstairs.
You got all your lights up there already.
Room, kitchen,
Okay, you got your
bathroom area
LEDs.
/ laundry
Okay, you
room.
put your kitchen, stove, refrigerator, microwave on that wall. Electric's already ready.
Once
This
again,
is a
before we make
2 bedroom,
it all
1
the way
bath. As you
upstairs,
go down
we'll
the
show you
hallway, you
catwalk.
got your pocket door
You got
here.
Catwalk here.
That goes into
That
bedroom
connects
1.
the
You
two
can see you got
bedrooms.
your electrical panel already ready to go, plug and play.
Together. So you
Go
can
down the
cross the
hallway a little
catwalk
bit
from
more.
one
This is where you're going to put your
bedroom
bathroom,
We
tub,
kept this
toilet, and
bedroom
sink.
open.
And then you put your
Okay.
master bedroom over here.
We kept this
So
bedroom
again, if if you just wanted to buy it like it is here, we got it for sale for $75,000.
Close them both off.
Like I said, fully insulated with electric,
both open.
or
one and keep one open.
and it's got
So
the
let's go on
lights.
This one first.
You can see
This
all your
one's huge.
switches
This
are
side
ready
is
to go.
above the living room
Or,
area. Someone was
we can
asking
finish it up for you and
earlier
have the
today,
Amish come to my land. We can finish it up where it's got electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. All the appliances for $125.
Okay.
So let me walk outside. I'm running out of time. I only got 3 minutes to do this video for
one
Instagram.
bedroom.
Let me show you one more view of it real quick
We got this one closed
before I let y'all go.
go
Beautiful
in it.
porch on it. Again, this one is available for immediate sale. Give us a call today
This is bedroom
at
number 3.
812-595-4033. 812-595-4033.
And let's show you what the backside looks like. I got to go way back. She's a big girl. Got to go way back. Like I said, 14 by 42 on the bottom, 14 by 32 on the top. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty on your land? Clean as a whistle, baby.